Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. To begin, navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage. You'll find a clear Sign Up button there. Click it to start the process. You can then use your current Amazon customer account details to log in, or if you prefer, create an entirely new account specifically for your Associates program. Next, you'll need to provide your essential account information. Carefully enter your payee name and complete address, ensuring all details are correct for future payments. You'll also be prompted to confirm your phone number, typically through a quick call or text message verification. Finally, list all the website or mobile application URLs where you intend to promote Amazon products. This section focuses on your website and profile. Take a moment to clearly describe the purpose of your website or app, explaining what kind of content you offer. You can then select up to 3 topics that best categorize your content, helping Amazon understand your niche. Lastly, indicate how you currently drive traffic to your site, whether through SEO, social media, or other methods. For the final steps, you'll set up your payment and tax information. You can choose your preferred payment method, with direct deposit being a popular option. Then, you must complete the comprehensive tax information interview, which is crucial for compliance. Finally, carefully review and formally accept the Associates Program Operating Agreement to finalize your application and begin earning commissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.